inventory section, you'll find 3 different tabs. Phone numbers, where you could see all of your phone numbers and where they are destined. You can also edit where the number is reaching, either by clicking over the number, or you could hit the pencil edit icon on the far right. Here, you will have a couple of options: directing it to a user, conference, call queue, voicemail, or auto attendant. The phone number option is to place a direct forward from a number to an outside number. You can also provide notes. If this is a direct number for a particular extension, you could put a note here for extension, or any other note that you'd like. If it's the main number to a particular site or department, you could put that and label that as well. And you also have an option for a prefix. Now, this is only going to work if the number is directed to either a call queue or directly to a user, as if it's going to an auto attendant. They're going to reach that message and the person won't be able to use the prefix. What the prefix does is if I place a B here, that will tell me that once that call reaches my phone, that is a billing call, if B was the acronym that I chose for billing. And I will see that B right before the incoming caller's caller ID name. And it's just in case you're receiving calls for a particular number for support, or customer service, or billing accounting, or whatever the departments apply. This is a way for you to identify what number they're calling in on. You can also export this list in an Excel or CSV format for you to have a list of all the numbers that you have assigned to your domain. If you were looking for a number in particular, if you had a large inventory of numbers, you could either look for the phone number and then find its destination, or you can say, well, I'm looking for the number that's assigned to extension 6387. It'll filter for that and then provide it for you on the list. For example, you could see that I have 2 numbers assigned. For the SMS Numbers tab, you will have all the numbers that you are currently using for SMS. And you have to make sure that this is enabled for you by Nexigee. Finally, in phone hardware, it will be all of the equipment that is associated to your domain. The MAC address, what is the make and model of that device, and the extension that it is assigned to. This is useful because it also gives you a red X or a green check mark, which is a quick glance of letting you know whether that phone is either registered and ready to make and receive calls, or if it is offline and needs to be troubleshooted. You could expand your list if you have a lot of equipment or telephone numbers. Thanks for watching.